I am your father.
The reason fish thrive in isolated mountain ponds is quite simply because birds birth them there. These ponds are completely isolated, totally disconnected from any ocean or river, yet somehow fish are thriving in them. When waterfowl or ducks hunt, they often swallow the eggs still inside the mother fish. Remarkably, completely undigested fish eggs can pass through their digestive system, and if those droppings happen to land in a mountain pond, the eggs can actually hatch right there. The researchers fed 500 carp eggs and 500 crucian carp eggs to wild mallards. After analyzing the resulting droppings, they discovered 8 carp eggs and 10 crucian carp eggs had survived completely undigested. Out of those 18 eggs, 1 carp and 2 crucian carps successfully hatched. Life inevitably finds a way. Watch the full video on Flat Archive and subscribe for more.